Check that out. Wow.
So jiggly.
So jiggly. Gotta add in some of that delicious sauce as well. Yeah. Hi everybody, welcome back to Cantonese Food Recipes. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a delicious lamb and potato stew, Cantonese style, or should I say my style, but it's similar to Cantonese food. So hope you guys watch this video till the end, and hopefully you guys can cook this delicious stew for your friends and family. Yeah, let's get cooking. Very easy, quick recipe. Okay guys, so I've got a big pot over here. I'm first going to blanch my meat over here. So as you can see, I've got a good lamb pack over here that I brought from the supermarket over here. Check these pieces out. Okay, so you got some like lamb chops over here. I just like defrosted it, like I took the meat out of the freezer in the morning, but they are fresh. They were brought like 2 days ago. So yeah, I'm just going to dump that in. As you can see, there's on top was the lamb chops over here. And at the base of it, there's some these lamb riblets over here. So pop this in. This is like the lazy method. Other people, they'll boil the water first and then dump in the meat, but I don't have time to wait for that, so I'm just going to dump the meat in the pot first. Yeah, I've got some more meat over here. These are just lamb riblets over here. Just check that out. Fresh lamb riblets. They are pricey, but hey, it's better than eating out. You don't get a lot of meat when you eat out, but when you cook at home, you get a lot of meat. Okay, got another pack over here. Like a big pot of stew. Then we can eat this. I can eat this for about 1 to 2 days. So have some free breakfast and lunch. So I don't need to cook. I just microwave the stew. Fresh lamb over here. Wow, just check out this big pot of lamb over here. Okay, now I'm just gonna fill it up with water, and I'm gonna pop this on the gas stove and let it blanch up, and then we'll take the meat out. So I'm gonna let this blanch for about, once it starts to boil, we're gonna blanch this for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then we'll take it out. Then you'll get rid of all the impurities from the meat. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so I've blanched my meat for about 15 minutes after it started to boil. So now it's just time to clean the meat. Just check out this lid. All its impurities and stuff. Look at that. You have to boil your meat before you stew this. Let me just show you guys this pot over here. Just check that out. Oh, look at all that gooiness. Imagine you stewed your meat without blanching your meat, and then all this will be in your stew sauce that you mix in your rice, so you don't want that. So after it's blanched, get rid of all that crap over there. Check that out. Oh yeah guys, so while I was blanching the meat, I also added like 2 teaspoons of salt in the water, and yeah, it helps to like take out all the impurities out of the meat. So we'll take this out first, and then we're just going to rinse this up. Just rinse the meat up. Okay guys, so as you can see here, I washed my lamb meat over here, and also washed my stewing pot over here. So before I go downstairs to cook this lamb, I'm just going to put in some of my oils and stuff before I head down. I also have to take more ingredients downstairs to the gas stove. Just gonna put drizzle some olive oil so it won't stick. Okay, next I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic and ginger. This is store bought. Okay, next I've got 1 slab of Chinese brown sugar over here. Just going to put this in here. And I'm going to add in a few pieces of Chinese ice sugar, so about 3 pieces. The more you add, the more sugary taste your stew will be. So we don't need to add in like the grain sugar. Okay, now I'm just going to dump in my lamb meat in the pot. And I'm going to sprinkle some white pepper, a good amount. Just like that. Okay, just like that. Now I'm going to take this downstairs to the gas stove and... Okay, I'm just going to pan sear the lamb over here. We'll pan sear this until for like 5 minutes, and then we'll add in the sauces. Okay, so after 5 minutes, we'll add in the sauces. Okay, first I'm going to add in half a bowl of light soy sauce. Turn the heat down. Okay, next I'm going to drizzle around the oyster sauce. Just give it a quick drizzle all around. Next I'm going to drizzle a little bit of Chinese rice wine all around as well. I'm going to drizzle a little bit of sesame oil. Okay, now I'm going to add in 2 cubes of fermented red bean curd. Just 2 cubes. And some of its red sauce over here. So add in like 4 teaspoons of that red fermented bean curd sauce. Okay, next I'm going to add in 3 teaspoons of hoisin sauce. There you go. Also going to drizzle a little bit of vinegar. This will help the meat get more tender. Just about 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. And next, I'm gonna drizzle around some tomato sauce. Good amount of tomato sauce. Okay, let's turn the heat up. And give this a good mix. Get all the sauces and ingredients fused together before we add in 1 kettle of hot water. You can see inside the pot the brown sugar hasn't melted yet, so it will melt during the stewing process. Okay, just gotta let this cook for a few minutes first, and then we'll add in the hot water. Okay. Once the sauces have fused all together, we can add in 1 kettle of hot water, boiled hot water. Just fill it up until there's also enough space for potatoes. So we're gonna first stew this for about half an hour on high heat before we add in some potatoes. So I'm using a full kettle of water here. Was going to be adding in potatoes soon. You can see there's lots of meat over here, so I needed a full kettle of water here. Okay. Let's cover this with a lid, and I'll go back upstairs to prepare some potatoes. So we're gonna stew this for half an hour first. Okay, it's been half an hour. Let's check out the stew here. Let me turn the heat down a bit. Ooh, check that out. Wow. Let's give the sauce a little taste. Tasty with that brown sugar and all that stuff. Okay, now I cut up some potatoes. Let's dump this in. So spread it out evenly on top of the sauce here. Okay, I'm gonna cover back the lid and I'm gonna tune the heat to medium. And we're gonna let this stew for 15 minutes and then we will mix it up again. Okay, after 15 minutes, let's twirl the potatoes a bit. You can see now there's more liquid because of the potatoes. It's releasing its starch. Mix it up. So every 15 minutes we're gonna give this a mix until the potatoes become soft. Once the potatoes are soft, then we can prepare a cornstarch slurry. Been stewing this for half an hour. A lot of liquid has been gone. Wow. I was in for a meeting with YouTube, so it was like half an hour. But luckily, everything's perfect. Okay, since there's not much liquid, we're not going to add in no cornstarch slurry. But it should be ready now, so we've been stewing this for about 1.5 hours now. So yeah, it's time for dinner. Let's plate this. Okay, it's time for dinner. Check this out, guys. Wow. We'll have it with some rice. We're not eating by the dining table. Since it's so cold, we're just going to plate this and eat it by the lounge while watching TV. That's how we love eating stew. Check out that lamb. Check at that. Didn't put no cornstarch slurry. Wow, check that out. Check that out. Okay, let's plate and eat this. Delicious. I usually make like stew with the pressure cooker because it saves power. But when you do that, like the lamb meat, it breaks too much. So I like stewing it with some gas flames over here for a few hours, and then you get this delicious looking stew over here. Yummy. Yeah.
Yeah. It's very nice here. It's tasty. 好食，好味道，好正。
Okay, it's my turn. Check that out, guys. Oh, that lamb here. Oh, everyone's eating and not helping me hold the camera. Oh, man. Let's do this. So much lamb meat, guys. You can't buy this outside without paying a lot of money. Wow. Check that out. Okay, let's feast. Okay, guys, this is my plate. Check that out. delicious lamb and potato stew. Easy, so easy to make. Let's taste this. Let's taste some of the potatoes over here. Super soft potatoes. Like this potato is like so huge. And yeah, the huge ones are the softest potatoes for stews. If you use those small like potatoes, it'll take a long time for it just to get softened. Let's taste some of this lamb. Check that out. Wow. Let's taste. Just falls off. Some gravy rice here. Guys, please don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel. Hope you guys give this recipe a try, and if you have any questions and stuff, you can comment on this video and I'll quickly answer you guys. Thanks guys for watching.